Seven. What blood? What is it? What is This one goes out to all the shook bitches aiming for me and my riches. Who they wanna listen to? Me. You see they put on repeat me. What? Who they trying to chill next to? Oh, it must be me. Oh me. Oh my gosh. A Southern G. You know I got the remedy. Remember me? I'll leave you at the cemetery. What? Niggas ain't heard it, you keep talking. It'll be another funeral. And it's a fact, I leave you niggas dressed in black. It's deep, I leave you dressed in black for a week. Listen, like the Virgin Mary, they wanna see you weep. But back to this bitch that I can't take from afar. Listen, Mark, listen, I'll throw you like dart. Take you for a ride like a car. I'm clean, but I can still use your bar. I'll take what I want in your yard, I won't ask. A task ain't too hard. What? I'll take care of you like teachers at the nursery. I know you heard of me. I'm the best ever, I don't need the mercury. Niggas want me for centuries. Cops want me locked up for centuries. What? We escape that, escape reality. So we live in this fantasy real life. I'll take your life with a Southern knife. A triple threat, hands on deck. Don't make me throw a missile. Listen, it's Mikey. Highly unlikely that you will lack. I was up on my back, shot to attack. It's okay though, it's a lesson. I ain't got time for no lesbian. If you still wanna fuck though, but chat shit, I could fuck a hoe. I ain't got time for hoe who think she gangsta. I'll just go for the thing and shank ya. 7. And I'll keep freestyling. I got your number, but I'm not dialing. You get that? Don't act like you know what's up with me. What? I'll leave you high in the sky. Hanging from a helicopter. Ain't got time for a copper. I'm a showstopper. If I like God, just copper. 7.